Paragraph 1. Structure of the nose, basic physiology, and its biological foundation. The human nose is a remarkably complex organ that functions as the primary gateway for respiration and also plays several additional physiological, sensory, and protective roles. Structurally, the nose is composed of both external and internal components, including the nostrils, nasal bones, cartilage, nasal cavities, turbinates, septum, and mucous membranes. These elements form an integrated system that prepares incoming air before it reaches the delicate tissues of the lower respiratory tract. On a microscopic level, the inner lining of the nose contains specialized epithelial tissues equipped with glands that produce mucus, which helps maintain moisture, trap harmful particles, and preserve the internal environment of the nasal passages. The hair-like projections known as cilia are continuously active, filtering dust, bacteria, viruses, and other contaminants. From an evolutionary perspective, the human nose developed not only to facilitate breathing but also to provide protection from environmental threats. Thus, the nose serves as a foundational biological structure essential for survival, respiratory efficiency, and overall physiological balance. Paragraph 2. The nose in respiratory function, air purification, and impact on gas exchange. Scientific research demonstrates that breathing is a highly sophisticated biological process, not simply the act of drawing air in and pushing it out. The nose plays the initial and most critical role in this process. The turbinates inside the nasal cavity circulate the air, warming it, moisturizing it, and filtering it so that it becomes suitable for entry into the lungs. If air enters the lungs cold, dry, or contaminated, it can damage the alveoli, reduce oxygen diffusion, and place unnecessary strain on the respiratory system. Through mucus production, the nose traps pathogens, allergens, and other microscopic particles, preventing them from reaching deeper parts of the respiratory tract. The cilia then transport these trapped particles toward the throat, where they can be expelled or swallowed. This function forms a crucial part of the body's innate immune defense. Another significant physiological contribution of the nose is its production of nitric oxide, a gas that enhances blood vessel dilation, improves oxygen absorption, and supports efficient circulation throughout the body. Studies clearly show that individuals who breathe primarily through their nose exhibit better metabolic performance, higher concentration levels, and improved physical stamina, underscoring the nose's vital role in maintaining respiratory health. Paragraph 3. The nose and the sense of smell, olfaction, neural connections, and influence on human behavior. Beyond breathing, the nose houses one of the most sophisticated sensory systems in the human body, the sense of smell. Located in the upper nasal cavity, the olfactory epithelium contains millions of specialized receptor neurons capable of identifying a vast range of chemical molecules. When odor molecules enter the nasal passages, they bind to these receptors, generating electrical signals that travel to the olfactory bulb. The olfactory bulb is directly linked to the limbic system of the brain, the center responsible for emotions, memory, and instinctual behaviors. This relationship explains why certain scents can instantly trigger vivid memories or powerful emotional reactions. Scientific research shows that the sense of smell influences dietary preferences, social interactions, mood patterns, danger perception, and even aspects of mate selection. In infants, olfactory cues help form early maternal bonding, while in adults, subtle chemical signals such as pheromones can shape interpersonal behaviors. The loss or reduction of the sense of smell, a condition known as hyposmia or anosmia, has been shown to significantly affect mental well-being, appetite, emotional health, and overall quality of life. Thus, the nose's olfactory function is not merely a sensory ability but a deeply integrated psychobiological mechanism essential for survival and emotional regulation. Paragraph 4. The nose in immunity, protection, vocal resonance, and overall physiological stability. The nose is also a powerful defensive structure, acting as the body's first barrier against millions of airborne microbes, pollutants, and allergens encountered each day. Immune components such as macrophages, antibodies particularly IgA, and antimicrobial enzymes reside within the mucus, neutralizing pathogens before they can infiltrate the bloodstream or lungs. The nose also plays a significant role in maintaining internal temperature and humidity levels, a process known as thermoregulation, which is particularly important in extremely hot or cold environments. In addition to immunity and respiration, the nose contributes to the resonance of the human voice. When we speak, sound waves pass through the nasal cavities, producing a natural tone and clarity known as nasality. Blockage of the nose alters vocal quality, demonstrating the importance of the nasal passages in communication. Furthermore, the olfactory system influences the hypothalamus, the hormonal command center of the brain, thereby interacting with endocrine functions that regulate stress, sleep cycles, emotional stability, and energy balance. Proper nasal breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation, lowering heart rate, and enhancing cognitive focus. Modern scientific studies confirm that the nose is indispensable not only for respiration but also for protection, emotional health, hormonal regulation, and overall physical and psychological well-being. In essence, the nose operates as a multifaceted biological hub essential for human survival and optimal functioning.